everyone, this is Ada. I'm very glad to see you. Container house is more and more popular in the world now. As a foreigner trading, you must curious about, are you a factory? Now you can see, this is the detachable container house and the detachable flat pack container house. This is our sample area. Now let's go and see what it is inside. This one made some meeting room. You can put some desk and you can chat with your partner at here. So you may curious about how it made. So today I will bring you to see what is the really original factory. Behind my back is our Cbox production area. It's around 7,000 square meters. So at my back, this is the area for our detachable container and the detachable flat pack container house product. Nowadays, the detachable container and the detachable flat pack container is very popular because the loading capability is very well. 140 high Q can load 17 units, and the install is very easy, no need any crane. And we can also provide a customization service for the color, size, and so on. So they are made by some wall panel, structure, roof, flooring, and the window door. So you can see, this is our window. All of our window is the double glass window. The material is UPVC. You can follow me and we can see more of the details. This is the glass wall roll. It must be put at the top, which it will be provide a well isolation. About the corner. This is the corner fitting. One unit will have 8 corner fittings, and all the material is strong enough to provide a safety when you do some hanging and do the install. So we keep going on. This area you can see there are many materials and some storage for our container house. This is the material when they are galvanized. All the steel material we will galvanize to prevent from rusting, and then we will double paint it at this line. After the painting, the structure will be like this. You can have a look. So we will provide this film to protect each material when transported. It will have a well rusty provide. So this room is for the painting room. Now we move to another machine. So in this place is the machine to make the clamp and some beams. Then we go to another machine to make the roof for the ceiling and the roof tile. They are all made by the machine. And you can see this is the roof area. Now please follow me to see the wall panel. This is the wall panel area. They are being stacked in piece by piece. All of our wall panel have 3 parts. One steel panel and the isolation and another steel panel. So this is the area for making the roof, making the wall. Okay. You can see more details at here. And this wall panel is fireproof. It won't be burning when you have some fire. We have a professional foreign trained team who have undertook many hotel, commercial, street, dormitory projects in Philippines, Indonesia, Myanmar, Thailand, and have undertook quarter fan villager, Turkey disaster relief project. We have ability to oversee big projects, including hotel, office, dormitory, apartment, etc. What's more, we are support one-stop processing service such as transportation and customer declaration. Additionally, we can also support ODM. Our designer team can offer you CAD floor plan, 3D model, construction and installation sketches. If you need installation guidance, we can arrange a professional construction team which have rich experience to help you, to ensure that your project can keep going without any problem. We are committed to strict quality control and thoughtful customer service. So we keep the quality of each batch of goods reach international quality standards, such as SGS, ISO, CE, and insurance professional expectation reports in Chinese and English. Firmly believe that quality is the lifeline of enterprise development. If you want to learn more about our content house, welcome to send message. We will arrange people to contact you one-on-one. Content house, choose Cbox.